Say unim say Charles ni ama Mensa Junior Shatta Wale drop a new album. I actually said the African King album. That particular album no or drop no a enra 17th of July 2026. Now, Seminoka say there is a quick update be at the Sababeto system ni menunti and a matana ha no paya me day. As I'm talking to you, Charles Niama Mensa Junior Shatta Wale and the team, the management team the PA and also the road manager Oma jet off from Ghana. Now omo kwa hefa na baby omo kono edien and omo kwa koye ewo honom. Your Vibes 24 Trends unim say ye eba ye the legit information and ebrel ankasapa yi. Seminoka say Shatta Wale akwa kopie mu weye Kotoka International Airport. Enye UK no oko enye Shatta Fest and oko UK Derby. Oko Nigeria. Na oko Nigeria no another private jet and I say or tinam ediako Nigeria. Shatta Wale APA friends says I'm a flex edi kan ba be catch them say Shatta Wale says obe tu kwan dia just a private jet and yes dia own tu kwan na oko Nigeria onim said Davido Burna Boy Wizkid mo omu tu kwan omu nyino mu use private jet and the any ono so no a jet and I just say oh use all the way from Ghana to Nigeria. Now it's alleged essay or kwakoshia a Nigerian music producer, one of the big producers artists wasn't winning Grammy. Nigeria friend said Bankuli. I'm very sure say on Bankuli unimuna the picture and the screen is on ono and on the Shatta Wale the Connect album. Now enye kwa Shatta Wale is going for a music business. Okoye music business and kasa ewo Nigeria okoshia some big men in Nigeria and that is almost discussing a lot of things at the Ghana music industry. It is Shatta and ekono yenhwe the documentary the time I Shatta free ni fie the time okoduru airport time as am flex by abonko by any time I Shatta Wale kokotena a private jet or they call a Nigeria no emu.
The Dawn. You're looking fresh.
Good morning, my neighbors.
Let's say we they go somewhere today.
Business trip, quick business trip. Quick.
They're done.
Godfather.
I'm ready. I'm fighting my work. I'm from the media. No, and some room on go school. That's coffee. Juice man, yeah, I know juice man. And that's DJ Pa, the new blogger in town. Sorry, thank you guys, man. Thank you, man. God bless you, man. We just make a trip to Nigeria. We want to see Bankuli, you know. Bankuli, he said they bring something good to Ghana, so we're going to have a meeting. So it's just a quick meeting, in and out. The when we come, people will enjoy us. For take Ghana, go international.
Global.
Global of, you know. Life is alive. God bless you.
This was the update. Fire de Ebreo Charles ni ama Mensa Junior Shatta Wale, the African dancehall king, on in the team. The time almost jetty off from Ghana. Shatta Wale is living the superstar life. Every musician epese Olivi. Because every musician be, I'm sure, say you dream, say on fro a public flight. Say who to kwanya, meaning say musician be a your dream. Esin ka obenya private jet mu atena. Nan ka ode yakoba bi a wo kono send ye be ye be man nuonyam about brand ne ho. So if I hear a lot of people saying say Shatta Wale embone brand ne ho ka, Shatta Wale invest in his brand and not say mo ho ye mesere. How many musicians in Ghana and omu to kwanya they are able to board a private jet? You can't. Ubetimi ayeni yenhwe or the private jet in the UK in and out using a private jet is more than $500,000. Aboard a private jet in the UK. How many musicians in the bit? So if I hear a lot of people saying say Shatta Wale is not investing in his craft, bro, you guys are funny, bro. You guys are funny. Put respect on Shatta Wale's name, bro. It's not easy to board a private jet. Now in private jet, 1 hour be $14,000. 1 hour, otina private jet move for 1 hour, $14,000. So Shatta Wale boarding a private jet all the way from Ghana to Nigeria and calculate. Shatta Wale boarding a private jet from Ghana to UK. Calculate. Now business trip we are looking forward say about the Ghana music industry name. That's what we are looking forward to. Say papa about the Ghana music industry name. And you know anytime Shatta Wale moves, the industry moves. You know. Shatta Wale at the private jet go UK. See how it created a lot of buzz. Even Nigeria bloggers in no posti. It created a lot of buzz around the music industry. And this time round, he's going all the way to Nigeria. Currently in Africa, they are the best in music business. He's going there. And on the private jet in a cycle. And yeah, easy. Calculate the price. No? So this was the update I fire the bro Charles Nyama Mensa Junior Shatta Wale. And it's some flex in the team and I just almost call a Nigeria for a business trip. I just say nyasem kitwa. I have Vibes 24 trends. So first time Albania. New Ben so subscribe send the update we about on side to me. I can be any the update in the Chidi because Nigeria be